Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can enable the extra dry function in Miele Dishwasher. So if you want to switch on this feature, you have to open the settings menu. So turn off the appliance, hold the express button, then turn on your appliance. Hold the express button for 4 seconds. Now we are in the settings mode. Then we have to click on the V button 11 times. As you can see, there we have the P0, that means the extra dry function is turned off. If you want to switch it on or just change this value, click on the express button once. Now we have the P1, that means the function is activated. To save your choice, turn off your appliance and turn it on again. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.